got the new sliding bobber from North 40. Got some weights for Alaska when we go up. So I'm going up to Alaska. Got them night crawlers. And I just might have bought a fishing pole. And it was expensive. It was an electric pool. $400 somehow. I don't know how. But I bought it. And I'm gonna try that stuff on it. So I'll maybe put a video, and I might do a fishing video up in Alaska, but just want to show you that stuff I got. So see you guys in that video maybe, and another short bye.